So right now, we have 12 new updates on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Samsung is putting a lot of effort into the Z Fold 7, and it seems like a pretty exciting upgrade over the Z Fold 6, despite some potential disappointments. Here's a breakdown of the key points from the updates. So first up, let's talk about the display. The Z Fold 7 is set to have significantly larger screens, both inside and out, which will make a big difference for users who rely on the display for multitasking. So first up, let's talk about the camera. The addition of a 200 megapixel camera from the Galaxy Ultra lineup is a huge leap forward in terms of camera performance, making the Z Fold 7 more competitive with other flagship phones. Now let's talk about the crease. Samsung is reportedly improving the crease, making it nearly invisible, which would make the foldable experience feel even more seamless. Now let's talk about the under-display camera. Samsung is ditching the under-display camera, which has often received mixed reviews. This makes sense, especially since the technology hasn't been perfected yet, and it could lead to a better overall camera experience. Now we have some news related to the S Pen support. The big concern is the potential removal of S Pen support. If this is true, it could definitely upset a lot of users who rely on the stylus for productivity. Samsung really needs to consider the backlash they faced with the S Pen downgrade on the S25 Ultra. Now we have some news related to the chipset and performance. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, same as the S25 Ultra, will be used, so performance should be top-notch, handling gaming and multitasking without issues. Now we have some news related to the UI and AI features. One UI 7.1 will bring new AI enhancements, improving the overall user experience, which is expected for any new Samsung flagship. Now we have some news related to the new hinge design. A smoother hinge is a nice touch, making the device easier to open and close, important for a foldable phone. Now let's talk about the Wi-Fi 7 support. The addition of Wi-Fi 7 support is great for future-proofing the device, offering faster internet speeds and better connectivity. Now we have some news related to the price. Despite all these upgrades, it looks like Samsung is keeping the price the same, which is a great move for consumers. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.